Today we're going to be describing your family. We'll just have a recap on family vocabulary before we start describing them. Mum, Dad, brother, sister. So those are the family names. Today we're going to be describing your family. Question: what does your dad look like? We're going to find out and help you work that question out. Lots of sisters. First of all, we'll look at adjectives. Beautiful. Beautiful. My mum is beautiful. Handsome. Handsome. My dad is handsome. Smart. Smart. My brother is smart. Kind. Kind. My grandmother is kind. She's made all those cookies for the family. She is kind. Generous. Generous. My dad is very generous. Funny. Funny. My aunt is very funny and makes me laugh every time we meet. Funny. Stubborn. Stubborn. My son is very stubborn. He won't tidy his toys. Shy. Shy. My sister was very shy when we met our new teacher today. Shy. Outgoing. Outgoing. My daughter is very outgoing. I could never speak out in front of people like she does. Outgoing. Next we've got emotional family words. Love. Love. I love my grandpa. Love. Respect. Respect. When my cousin shared her point of view, I listened to show my respect. Admire. Admire. I admire my friend as he is a better basketball player. Admire. You really like him. Appreciate. Appreciate. I really appreciate my dad when he lends me his car. Apologies, the screen has shortened there. So the word is appreciate, A-P-P-R-E-C-I-A-T-E, appreciate. I really appreciate my dad when he lends me his car. Lends, L-E-N-D-S. Loyal. Loyal. I know my mum is loyal as she keeps my secrets when I tell her them. Loyal. Appreciate. Appreciate. My sister appreciates me because I support her decisions in life. Okay, gap fill task now. Quiz time. Use your adjectives to complete the sentences. Part 1. My family is very special. My sister is very... She always helps others. My brother is... and makes everyone laugh. My mother is... and always thinks of others before herself. My father is... and knows a lot about many things. So see if you can work out those gaps. Part 2. My grandmother is... and loves to tell stories. My grandfather is... and always looks nice. My cousin is very... and makes friends easily. My uncle is a little... and doesn't like talking much. My aunt is very... and always stands by her opinions. Okay, give this video a pause. See if you can work on part 1 and part 2. Fill in those blanks. Scroll through the video using the words that we've learnt today. Make notes of them, because those are the words that are in these gaps. So if you go back to the beginning of the video, scroll through it, looking at all of the words, note them down, see which word fits in these gaps. Let's have a look at the answers. My family is very special. My sister is very kind. She always helps others. My brother is funny and makes everyone laugh. My mother is generous and always thinks of others before herself. My father is smart and knows a lot about many things. Here's part 2 answers. My grandmother is beautiful and loves to tell stories. My grandfather is handsome and always looks nice. My cousin is very outgoing and makes friends easily. But my uncle is a little shy and he doesn't like talking much. My aunt is stubborn and always stands by her opinions. I love my family. How many did you get right today? Congratulations if you got them all. Well done if you've only got a few. My videos are about learning step by step. But now you can talk about your family and you can describe them. Have fun with those descriptions of your family. And if you did like this video, please give it a like and look out for more interesting videos like this. Press that subscribe button. Thanks for watching today. Hope to see you, girls.